Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Steam points. So the first step you need to do is to search for the Steam and you need to log in into your Steam account. So once you log in, there is no direct option to buy the points. So the only method possible is you simply need to do some purchase on to the Steam. So let's suppose if you spend $1 onto the Steam platform to buy something, you will get 100 points. So the more you purchase things on the Steam, the more points you will get. So this is the only method possible that you can get to, or you can purchase points. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.